Let's sit comfortably on our mat. Keep a smile on your face. Doesn't matter even if it's artificial. Just keep a beautiful smile on your face. We are going to begin with abdominal breathing. Place your right hand on your chest, your left hand on your stomach, and we are going to take deep breaths. So let's do it together at least 3 times. When you breathe in, I want you to expand your chest as much as possible. Breathe in, 2, 3, hold. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze your stomach. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Expand your chest. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze your stomach and you may relax. This is very good to increase our lung capacity. We are going to continue with Kapalbhati Pranayam. Today we are going to do 2 rounds, 50 breaths. So let's begin. Get ready. Take a deep breath in and start. Continue at your own speed. Pull your stomach in, squeeze your navel as you breathe out. Don't give up, continue. Last few. Throw all the toxins out of your body. And you may relax. Just observe the sensations in your navel region, your stomach, Manipur chakra. And we are going to do one more round, 50 breaths. Try to do as much as possible. Breathe in, deep breath. And we'll start. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue. Squeeze your stomach, tighten your core muscles as you breathe out. Last few. Give your 100%. Breathe out completely. And you may relax. Once again, observe the sensations. Relax your shoulders, back is straight. Take your attention to your mind. Is your mind here? If it's not, try to bring it back to your body. Preparing yourself for today's practice. Let's begin with some gentle yoga. We are going to warm up our upper body by doing some body rotations. So you are going to breathe in, go back, breathe out, completely come forward as close to floor as possible and start your rotation from right side. Go to the left, come forward. Let's do this 2 times. Coordinate your breath. When you come forward, breathe out completely. When you go back, take a deep breath in. And one last time, let's do it on other side. Reverse. Come forward, breathe out. Go back. One more time. Relaxing your body, upper body. Come back to the center. Excellent. Let's come on our knees. We are going to come in tabletop position. We'll do cat and cow pose. Breathing in, take your head up, arch your back, pull your hips up. Breathing out, touch your chin to your chest, bulge your upper back. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. Breathe in, push your belly down. Breathe out, squeeze your tummy. Breathe in one more time, go up, arch your back, feel that stretch in your spine. Breathe out, chin to the chest, bulge your upper back. And slowly come back to the center. Excellent asana for your spine. We'll do the side stretch. Take your left hand up in one straight line, elbow straight, fingers pointing up. Look up. Deep breath. Let's do it on the right side. Right hand goes up. Push your chest forward. Look up towards your hand. Deep breath in. Breathing out, bring it down. We'll do the heart melting pose to open up our shoulder region and expand our chest. Walk your hands forward. 3-4 baby steps and push your chest down towards the mat. Chin is on the ground. Hips are up. Straighten those elbows and stay here. One deep breath. Breathe out. Relax in this pose. One deep breath. And breathing out, you can slowly come up. Once again, we are going to do a spinal movement. At the same time, we are going to engage our core. So you're going to lift your right leg up. Try to bring your toes towards your head and then bring your knee to your nose. So go back up and down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And one last time, bring your leg up and nose to your knee. Now we are going to do some gentle pulsing, keeping your knee up. Try to push your feet towards the ceiling. So squeeze your right buttocks and keep pushing. 5, 4, 3. Try to squeeze your buttocks more. 2, 1. Do not bring your knee down on the ground. We are going to do some fire hydrant. So you have to bring your knee to your side, right side. Up, down, up, down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And don't bring it down. Let's stay there for 2 seconds. Knee is on the side. Deep breath. And we are going to stretch our leg behind and do some up and down, keeping our legs straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep squeezing your butt and bend your knee, and we'll do 2-3 pulsings. Push your leg up, squeeze your right buttocks, and you may bring your knee down. You feel it in your thigh, your hip region, also your buttocks. We'll repeat on the left side. Lift your left leg up, bring your toes towards your head, then bring your nose to your knee. Let's do it at least 5 times. Take it up and then try to squeeze your stomach. Bring your nose and your knee together. And we'll start with our pulsing. So push your feet towards the ceiling. Try to squeeze your left buttocks and try to move up and up. At least 3 more times. Keep going. Slowly bring it to the side. Fire hydrants. You are going to bring your left knee to the left side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and we are going to hold it without dropping your knee down. Try to hold it on the left side, and let's straighten that knee. Bring your leg back. We'll do up and down movement. Try to bring your leg as high up as possible and then down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't give up. We are almost at the end of this exercise. Bend your knee and try to push your toes towards the ceiling. Just 3 more times. 3, 2, and 1. Squeeze and come down. You can just come forward, lie down on your stomach, and without taking any break, let's go forward with Superman pose. Viparit Shalabhasan. Stretch both the hands forward in front of you, and you're going to come up from the floor. Hands up, legs up. Deep breath. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out, down. Try to come as high as possible. Come up and down. One more time. Breathe in, come up and down. And this time we are going to come up and hold the pose. So I want you to bring your hands up, your legs up, your thighs up from the floor, balance on your stomach, and we'll stay here for at least 5 breaths. Stretch your hands forward, legs behind. Feel that stretch as if somebody is pulling you from both the sides. Just few more seconds. And you may slowly come down. Hands next to your body, chin is on the ground. We are going to do half locust pose. So I want you to lift your right leg up, stretch your toes, stretch your leg completely, knee is straight, and stay here for at least 5 counts. Engage your thigh muscles. Try to straighten that knee even more. Deep breath. Breathing out. You may slowly bring your leg down. Let's repeat on the other side. Bring your left leg up. You don't need to bring your leg high up. The important thing here is that our knee is straight and toes are pointing. So wherever it is, try to hold and stretch your leg more and more. Squeeze your thigh muscles. You're going to stay here for at least 5 seconds. So keep stretching. 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Let's go in Cobra Bhujangasana. Hands next to your chest. Join your feet together. Squeeze your buttocks, engage your lower body at the same time. Try to come up. Lift your chest, lift your head, look up till your navel region. Try to pull your shoulders back. Elbows are touching your body. And just feel that expansion in your chest. And let's be smiling cobras. So keep a smile on your face. You look so beautiful when you smile. Stay here. We'll take one deep breath. Expand your chest and then breathing out. You may come down. We are going to go in downward facing dog. So tuck your toes. Lift yourself up. And push back. Excellent. Let's open up our hamstrings. You can come on your toes and then push your heels back. Engage your shoulders. You can move your knees. Start pedaling your legs. Just warm up the back of your legs. We are going to do sun salutations, 6 Surya Namaskars. We'll do it at our own speed, but try to do at least 6. Let's begin.
After 4 times, why did I bother? Tell me how many more times does it take to get smarter? Don't need to deny the hurt and the lies and all of the things you did to me. I swear I know you did. And now you take her out in your fancy car and make out in the rain. And when she brings you up, she know where you are, but I know differently. Now she sings along when you play guitar, making brand new memories. Hope you treat her better than you treated me. I'm onto you, yeah you. I'm not your number one. I saw you with her, kissing and having fun. If you're giving all of your money and time, I'm not gonna sit here wasting mine on you, yeah you. Shower the horse, I'm done.
And last one, we are going to come down on the floor and just take a 5 seconds break. So bring yourself down on the mat and relax your body. Just observe your breath. If you want, you can pause the video and have some water. And with lot of energy, let's jump up and begin with our cardio. We are going to start with jumping jacks. So I want you to do at least 20. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are going to do squat. Take some gap between your legs, go down, hip down, and then come up. Bring your right leg up. Go down, squat, left leg up. Squat, up. Let's do at least 15 of these. Try to go down as much as possible and then come up. Down and up. 14, 13, 12. You'll start feeling it in your thighs, but you can do it. Keep a smile on your face. Try to go down as much as you can. 8, 7, 6. Do not be in a hurry. Try to do it slowly, but let's do it properly. 5, 4, 3, 2. I think we can do 3 more. 3, 2, and last one. Excellent, very good. Continue with jumping jacks. Don't stop in between. So we are going to combine jumping jacks with squat jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down, jump, down, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, jump, down, jump. 2 more. Do jumping jacks, then do a squat and do a squat jump. Come up and up, and last one. Let's give 100%. Go down in the squat and try to spring up. Excellent, very good. You can take a 10 seconds break. You can have some water. And before we do our last exercise for today, we are going to take 3 deep breaths. So it's very important to send oxygen to each and every part of your body. It really helps in burning fat and to increase your stamina. Very good. So our last exercise, we are going to take some gap between our legs and then bring your leg back, bend your knee, try to go close to the floor, as close as possible. Make sure you're bending your knee and taking it close to the mat. And both the hands, you're going to squeeze your shoulder blades and bring them back. So let's repeat this at least 5 times on left side and then on right side. Go down and down and down. 3, 2, 1. This is excellent for your posture, at the same time to increase the strength of your thighs. So today we are going to learn Ashtanga Sun Salutation. Just watch first round and then we can do it together. So it is almost similar to our normal Sun Salutation Surya Namaskars. But when we go down, instead of taking your right leg back and left leg back, you're going to jump back. So bend both the knees, place your hands on the floor, and finding your balance, try to jump back and come in a plank pose. Very good. Now from here, Chaturanga Dandasana. So it's like a push-up, but you have to bring yourself little forward. So you're on your toes, see if you can come on the edge of your toes, and then we are going to bend our elbows and go down. Slowly as possible, go down and then drop yourself down. Come up in a high cobra, like your elbows are completely straight. Come up, stretch up, deep breath in, and then go back, downward facing dog. And once again we are going to jump forward. So you're going to bend both the knees. You can look forward, finding your balance. Just spring forward, try to come in between your hands and then come up. So the only difference is jumping back, jumping forward, and Chaturanga Dandasana. So let's try to do at least 6 of these today. It is going to increase your heartbeat. It's going to make you sweat. So let's do it together. Namaste. Breathe in, go up, breathe out, come down. Bend your knees, jump back. Let's come down in Chaturanga Dandasana, come up in Cobra, go back in Downward Facing Dog, jump forward and breathe in, come up. If this is too fast for you, do it at your own speed. You can always pause the video and try to do it on your own. Go down in Chaturanga Dandasana, come up in Cobra, go back in downward facing, bend your knees and spring forward. Breathe in, come up. Okay, third round. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, come down. Bend both the knees and jump back. Bring yourself little forward. Make sure your chest is going down first, then your hips. Come up in Cobra, go back in downward facing. And bending your knee, jump forward, come up. 2 more to go. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, come down. Bend both the knees, jump back. And elbows, bending your elbows. Don't bring your hips down first. Let's do it in a proper way. Bring your chest down and then your hips down. Come up in Cobra, go back. And then bend both the knees, and you have to just spring forward and come back up. Let's do it once again. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Take your time. Jump back. Bring your chest down and then your hips down. Look up. Go back, downward facing. Bend both the knees and jump forward. Breathe in, come up. And can we do one more? I think we can. Let's begin. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, come down. Let's do it little slowly. If you're up, bend your knees, place your hands down, and then let's jump back. Get ready to jump back. Very good. Now Chaturanga. Bring yourself forward, bend your elbows, chest down, then hips down, come up. Go back, downward facing dog. And we are going to jump forward. So what you can do is look forward, find your balance, look forward, bend your knees and get ready to spring forward. Yes. Excellent. Breathing in, come up, breathing out, relax. Well done. Very good. So we are going to, and you can take a quick 10 seconds break After that, we are going to practice one of our most favorite asana, Chaturanga Dandasana, and we'll get ready. We are going to go down on the mat, come in a plank pose, body parallel. Stay here for 2-3 seconds, preparing yourself for Chaturanga Dandasana. Remember, we are going to come down. Our chest is going to come down first, then our hips, and we are not dropping our body on the floor. So body is close to the floor, but we are still up. Let's try to do it together. Bend your elbows, come close to the floor. Don't drop yourself down. Hold it here. Feel that strength in your arms. Stay here for a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and you may slowly come down. Excellent. How is it? I know you're feeling it in your arms, in your chest, in your shoulders, but we'll try to do it once again. Stretch back in downward facing. Come forward in plank pose. Take a deep breath here. And then we are going to be close to the mat, but don't drop yourself down. Bend your elbows, bring your chest close to the mat. Your head is up, chin is up, and then you can drop down. Okay, let's go back and relax in child's pose. Just relax your body. We are done with our today's workouts, our asanas. If you want, you can come forward and just lie down on your stomach. Stay here for 5 to 10 seconds. Just observe your breath. Take a deep breath and slowly breathe out. We are going to end by doing a small 3 minutes meditation. So let's come up, sit comfortably on your mat. You can place a pillow under you, or you can sit on a chair. Doesn't matter. Your spine is comfortable, and we'll sit straight. Keep a smile on your face. When you smile, all your facial muscles get relaxed. So make sure you have a gentle smile as we take a deep breath in and then breathe out. Let's try to sit still without moving for next 2 minutes. And we'll take our attention to the space around us, to the space on your right side, space on your left side, in front of you, behind you, to all the space in this room, above your head. Just take your attention to the entire room, all the space in the room. Feeling a sense of expansion, place your attention in the entire room. Expand more and more. Take your attention to the vast sky above you, millions and billions of stars, galaxies. Feel the expansion. You are the universe, and the universe is you. Everything that's outside is present in you. Feel that oneness with the universe. And with a big smile, slowly and gradually taking your own time, whenever you feel complete, you may slowly open your eyes.